Today I am here with my lovely friend Victoria. If you watch my previous video of going to the Pinoy tindahan, you for sure might know what we will do today. We are going to try Pinoy snacks. Have you ever tried any Pinoy snack, like Filipino snack?
No, never.
Never? Do you have any kind of expectation of like a flavor? What will it taste like?
I hope it will be really nice. I'm scared.
You're scared? Oh, no need to. It will be fine. There are a few snacks that I have never ever tried, and I'm quite excited to try them, but some of them I already know, and I know they'll be good. I know. First thing that we have today is pancit canton, and that's something that I have never ever tried in my life. We already made it, okay? Because we need to cook it, so we have a little behind the scene how we made it. Victoria obviously helped me. Really popular noodles in the Philippines. It's like Pinoy or vinagre. There's like a Kalamansi flavor, and I think this is the most popular. I'm not sure, but I believe it. I saw it every day in Jericho's kitchen, so they eat a lot of this one. Kalamansi is like a little lemon.
I didn't try.
The calamansi, because it's only in the Philippines, but it's like really sour. I drink a juice of it, it's really sour. But here, I don't know. Let's try.
Okay.
Kain na! Okay, let's try. Don't be worried. It'll be good.
If you never see me again, you will know why.
No.
Okay. It's not bad.
Yeah, but you can definitely feel the sourness of the calamansi. You can feel it, right? That it's a bit sour.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were saying no. I was like... For a moment, I thought you were saying no. Because for me, I'm not good with sour food. I don't like sour food. That's why I was scared to try it in the Philippines. Because I thought it would be really ultra mega sour. But it's not. It's just a bit, right?
Nie wiem co powiedzieć. To jest dobre, ale nie wiem czy bym to na przykład zjadła. W sensie wiesz, idę sobie po sklepie i mówię, a kupię sobie na to ochotę. Wolałabym brać sobie jak już inną zupkę.
Yeah, it's good, but not that good, right?
Yes.
It's good, but not good either.
Yeah,
But
I will leave.
you will leave? Okay, you don't have to finish it. It's fine. If you could judge it from masarap, okay lang, and hindi masarap, what would be your judgment?
It's okay lang.
For me, I would say also okay lang.
Wolisz coś innego jeść.
Aha, yeah.
Aha, czyli już całkiem
Nie, w sensie jest takie, że no okej, zjem, nie? Jak nie mam co zjeść, to zjem, ale
nie
bez strzału, no
ciebie. Nie. To nie jest to, co pokochasz.
No. The next thing we try, it's the ube jam, and do you know what is ube?
No.
Do you know ube? U nas nie ma ube. To jest typowo filipińskie. To jest takie korzenne warzywo, porównywalne do ziemniaka, ale w ogóle nie smakuje jak ziemniak. Po prostu rośnie pod ziemią jak
To do
ziemniak.
czego byś porównała ten smak?
I don't know. It's good. I really love ube. Whatever is ube, I want to eat it. And I tried the ube jam in the Philippines, but totally different brand. Like their local brand. Tam jest taka...
To jest jak woda.
Taka, w środku jest taka pulpa jakaś, nie wiem co nazwać. So basically, if you look at it, it's like there's some water running around, like the inside of it. And that's quite weird because the one that I had in the Philippines didn't do that. So I feel confused, but we got some bread.
Ale widzę to pierwszy raz w ogóle taką konsystencję.
Yeah, i to jest nazwane dżem i to ma nową konsystencję, więc może to trzeba wymieszać.
Przemieszamy.
Yes, we will. But first we need to...
A to można tak? W sensie wiesz, że tam tak trzepiesz, czy nie? Czy to trzeba po prostu wymieszać w tym?
Nothing. Like we need to mix it with a knife, I think.
Nie próbujcie tego w domu.
What? The ube jam or opening?
I don't know what it tastes.
What do you expect from this one? From the color, like the look?
Nie boję się tego akurat.
Nie?
Nie, bo to jest dżem. Dżem jest zazwyczaj dobre.
Okay.
Jeszcze ta Monika mnie przekonuje.
Monica makes you feel safe. I cannot open. Hi guys, it's so hard to open.
Pomóż ci? O! jak ciasteczka.
Ojej. Like peanut butter.
Nie wiem.
Nie? Nie pachnie? Peanut butter?
Wiesz, jak są te w Polsce, nie wiem, czy są w Filipinach, ale w Polsce są takie lody ciasteczkowe i one mają...
Idy.
Nie wiem, w sumie nie pamiętam, ale one mają taki sam zapach. Ten zapach kojarzy mi się ze smakiem tych lodów. Nie wiem, czy będzie smakować tak samo.
Pachną trochę. Jak ciasteczka. Ale trochę jak ciasteczka i peanut butter. If you smell this one, it smells like cookies and the peanut butter. If they have a child, this one.
O,
It's weird, right?
to się w ogóle da posmarować to?
Nie wiem.
To powinno takie być?
I
To jest
don't
takie
know.
twarde.
I don't know. Like the one in the Philippines was like a jam, and this one, this is how I bought it.
No ładnie pachnie.
Where's the color? Whoa! I spilled it! I spilled it! I spilled it! I spilled it! I spilled it!
Oh my god, what did we do? Muszę poczekać na Beatę. Sama tego nie naprawię. Napiję się herbatki.
I'm back. I spilled so much.
Ale to, wow, ale to w ogóle poleciało tak.
A tak mocno. Oh my god.
Ale to kolor.
Intensywny, nie?
No.
Really intense
Naprawdę.
color. What's that? It was so sticky. This is how it looks like. I'm scared to flip it.
Oh.
This is how it looks like.
Lecimy.
Let's see if this one is as good as the Filipino, like the one in the Philippines. I'm a bit scared
Ja jestem ciekawa, jak
because
to
of the.
jest.
We do a little cheers. Cheers. Kaina. Kaina znaczy smacznego. Ogólnie.
Konia żulu?
Kaina to you. Kaina to you.
Okej. Już mam ten smak buzi, czekaj. Jak te lody ciasteczkowe?
Really?
Mhm. Trochę tak. Może w połączeniu z tym chlebem tak jest.
Ja ogólnie sądzę, że to by dobrze smakowało z masłem orzechowym.
Mhm.
Ale nie mam masła orzechowego, więc nie spróbujemy.
Mogłabym to jeść.
Mm, it's good, but you know what? There's a secret. It has 50% of sugar.
W porównaniu z tą zupką, to bym mogła jeść. Codziennie.
So, masarap, okay lang, or hindi masarap?
Masara.
Sobrang masarap.
Jest. Dajcie znać w komentarzu, co o tym sądzicie.
If you like the ube jam, huh? Look at the sky flakes. Okay, we need to open.
Ej, to są takie... Dosłownie. A ile jest w środku?
I think 3 pieces. And this one is a garlic flavor. Actually, Skyflakes has a lot of different flavors. I think they're like opponents with Magic Flakes.
3.
Good.
Skupiłam się na czymś innym.
So we got the Skyflakes and we also got the Magic Flakes. We can see which one is better.
Okej, teraz mnie stresuje ta cebula. To jest cebulkowe, prawda?
Czosnkowa.
Aha. Ale czosnek też mnie stresuje. Z czym mi się kojarzy? Nie wiem z czym jeszcze.
Nie ma jakichś krakersów w Polsce o podobnym smaku? A paluszki? Jak są te zielona cebulka paluszki?
Paluszki?
To
Zielone
są takie, nie wiem czy są konika czy czego, są takie paluszki i one są w takiej przyprawie zielona cebulka. I jak podejrzysz tą przyprawę, to ma taki sam zapach, taki sam smak.
Czuję, że coś jadłam kiedyś podobnego, ale nie mogę skojarzyć co.
A smakują ci? Ooo, 50-50.
Mhm.
Oj.
Nie przepadam aż tak za czosnkiem i cebulą.
A, okej. O.
To jest ta rzecz.
O.
W sensie na przykład jakby była cebula, albo... Dobra, czosnek może bardziej, trochę mniej, ale jakby była cebula w jakiejś pizzy czy coś, nie ma problemu, zjem. Ale na przykład jak mam zjeść na przykład cebulę gdzieś tak, gdzie jest, widzę ten duży kawałek cebuli na przykład na burgerze, to wtedy już tak, chyba że jest przykryty czymś innym, to nie widzę, to wtedy okej.
Ale tu też nie widzisz czosnku.
No nie.
Nie widzisz go.
Ale jak jem to czuję.
Schowany jest. The opponents of the Skyflakes, we will try also Magic Flakes. Magic Flakes! Okay, let's try. This one is green onion. This one was garlic and this one is green onion.
O! O!
They have 4 inside. This one is
Oh.
only 3 and they have 4. We try.
O, to być taki.
This one, I really like it.
Ale ładnie pachnie. Jak cebulka. To już prędzej bym to zjadła niż tamto.
A moment ago you were saying you don't like onion and garlic and now you're like, it smells like an onion. I would really love to eat it.
Myślałam, że będzie smakować jak cebulkowe chipsy Flakesy, ale to tak nie smakuje tak samo. Ale jest dobre.
Like it?
Ale czuć taki delikatny, słodki posmak jeszcze w tym.
That's the thing about Filipino food. They like it sweet.
Dobra, to bym mogła jeść.
So Magic Flakes
Masara.
and Sky Flakes, the garlic.
Okej, no.
Okay lang. So for me, it will be like hindi masarap and masarap.
To ja nie wiem, co ja bym musiała zjeść, żeby dać hindi masara.
Uy, nice. You're biased, huh?
Ding dong.
I think it's quite popular in the Philippines. It's like a mix of different nuts, and there's a corn, there's green peas, and there are like some nuts. I ate it only once. Only once when we went in
I don't know.
El Nido. When we were in El Nido with Jericho, we bought it, and it was like raining, and we were walking with the umbrella and eating it. Yeah. Actually, I have to open with the scissors, just so you know. Like, I have to open everything with the scissors because Filipino packages are so thick. I don't know how people open it. I could see a lot of fathers buying some snacks for the kids and biting it and opening, ripping it apart with their teeth. And I was like, guys, respect your teeth. You're not that young anymore. Yeah.
Przyjemne z pożytecznym.
Sorry.
O, i ładnie pachnie.
You like it?
To pachnie jak orzeszki. Albo wiesz, jak są te kolorowe kamyczki u nas też takie? One tak podobnie do tego. Nie lubię ich za bardzo.
It was at this moment that he knew.
That says a lot. Okay, I think it's the best to like just put it on the hand. I don't remember even how does it taste. You want to show?
Tak. Kamyczki? Dobra.
I think it's like you just put all in your mouth.
Tak.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's really hard. I think it's a good snack when you're like chilling with friends and like maybe drinking something or just chilling and you have them in a bowl. People will eat them.
It's okay.
Okay lang? Or
Yeah.
okay lang. Okay. You want some more?
No.
Oh, it's not okay lang. It's hindi masarap for her, but she's scared to say it.
Jeśli musiałabym to kupić sama na jakąś imprezkę, to pewnie bym kupiła coś innego. Ale jeżeli ktoś by na przykład to kupił i ja bym kupiła coś innego, to bym się częstowała też tym na przykład.
I mean, for me, it's nice. I like it, but I think it's a bit hard. And I think that's the biggest issue, that it's so hard.
No wiem, ale mi się właśnie kojarzyło, że są fajne. Co to?
We got piato. So basically this one. Oh my god. That's alive.
To jest ser?
Cheese, yeah. Cheese
Okay.
flavor potato chips. They have different flavors of this. They have, I think, 4 flavors. This is my favorite. This is the best one.
Ej, ale mają ładne. Okej.
They smell cheesy. Yeah, the shape is cute. You like the shape? I love them.
Dobra jest. Masz gust.
I know.
Dobra.
This is the best. If you ever go to Poland and you want to bring pasalubong, bring this one. If you ever want to make me feel good, bring this one. Would you like to have piatos as a pasalubong from me?
Jest. I to jest dobre.
It's good. It is really good. We can finish it later.
Ale boję się tych innych przekąsek.
Wow.
Boję się później powiem, bo nie możemy zdradzać, co tutaj jest.
So here is editing me, and because the video was really long, I decided to split it into 2, so it will not be like 30 minutes long, but more like 2 videos 15 minutes long. So we still have a lot of snacks to try, so please wait for the second part of the video, which in the future will be just somewhere here, so you can click it. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye! If you hear any noise, this is my laptop being overheated because of editing this video.